Hey guys, so I was rewatching my video and I just wanted to share what the lost thought was. The lost thought that I had was that the 133 E7 into E8 is the 742 1 over 7429 0.1838 and blah blah blah. The direct difference between 1 over the square root of 3 and the gamma Euler Mascheroni, whatever, however you pronounce that guy's name, constant, is exactly 1 over 7,429.1838. 1838 is very close to the electron to proton ratio of mass. The exact ratio is 1836.15. The difference is literally the natural logarithm of 6, 1.85. Get the fuck out of here. And then I was looking at the base for cross entropy. If you look at the different bases, these numbers are going to be crazy. I'm gonna do a video on that tomorrow. But the point is that the 133, which is the a mass of cesium after you add the neutrons, might be the atomic mass. I can't remember. I just know the protons are 55, and that would. I can't remember. I can't. My brain is not able to do that math right now. The point is that well, it'd be minus 22. Oh shit, that's cool. Think about that. The 133 is 2 away from 155, right? And 2 is the up quark mass. I'm not saying that that's. I mean, that's going to be significant somehow. Probably like some sort of weird topological deficit. That's how you have to think about these things. Like the way that these numbers show up, it's so strange, and it's totally outside of our normal interpretation of decimal remainders. But that's what I've been so focused on is the Lie symmetries that we use. We truncate them at four options inside of robotic movement. Let me tell you something. We have got to go so deep into those remainders of the theta functions because think about it. Our whole body is being processed and the theta wave creates the slow structure that the gamma alterates. So we have these high frequency gamma bursts, and then in between the gamma bursts, we're analyzing all the orbital fulfillment so that we can direct the next gamma burst, huge ion flux, so that the theta wave gets adjusted and we have direct real-time connection of the nervous system and the environment. And so we'll see some more of that tomorrow when I do these base things related to cross entropy. But the point that I was getting at that I got lost in earlier when I was so excited about the cesium, what happened was I was doing the numbers for E7, 133, and then the tie-in to +1 for entering, the Conway pyramids, 429, 7429, and think you collect 7 of the 429 pyramids, okay, which is going to be a combination of those prime factors for 7429, 17, 19, and 23, and then you collect 7 of those, and then you have 7429. Just like the J invariant for monster group, negative 6 for 20, or excuse me, 6 40 320, because 8 factorial is 4320. So the reason that number shows up is because you're collecting 6 of those, and negative and then cubed. And so you can kind of think of it like each of the 6s of the 8 factorials is a verification structure of the 6 factorials, which then create a physical mass which can successfully inflate space without being compressed because it met the WEYL symmetries. as a result of obeying the MITTAG Leffler function. Mittag, sorry, I'm so used to spelling it out for my conversations, but Mittag Leffler functions, which use gamma to verify the WEIL1. Okay, so that's going to be the Euler identity and the sine cosine identity tied together to create the radius of rationality of the present as it's being expressed through tissues, as it's being expressed through just reality in general. The electron orbitals are required to obey these different geodesic structures in numerology because everything is required to maintain a certain degree of efficiency through the gluon field. The strong force regularizes the gluon flux tubes information, and civilization creates imbalances because of the management of huge amounts of resources from technology. And I'm not trying to push anything in that direction right now. I'm trying to explain the numerical structure that's underpinning a lot of these phenomena. And so the fact that 1 over 7429 is literally 133 plus 1 and creates a 134 as the small difference between the square root of monster group symmetries, which is the external energy information space that we're downloading from into electron orbitals. That's so powerful, guys. And I can't wait to continue more with you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I just wanted to get you guys the thought that I missed there, because I set it up so intensely and then I forgot. So thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe. Please contribute to the channel if you like. But either way, I hope you guys are having a great day. You're awesome. You're beautiful. Be good.